say you're backing up a preacher, right, one day, and you just want to kind of, get him in that cycle. They do the whole walk up where they do the F. If you're in G flat, D flat, right? Right. So F, D, G flat, G, and A flat, right? So what you want to do, right? You have your first chord. You're gonna do that, and you're gonna have the D flat, A flat, B, right? Over the E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat in your right hand, right? So you have that chord playing, right? And then you go to the side, go. Right? So you have your first chord as you climb it up, the F, B, E flat over the F, right? And then the next chord in your left hand is going to be your E, B flat, D flat, and you just keep it there, right? Same chord over the G, and then you get here in the A flat, G flat, B flat, D flat, simple, right? So again, it's going to be your left hand, F, over F, F, B, E flat, and this E, B flat, D flat, and then go to G, and then go to the A flat, G flat, B flat, D flat, right? Your right hand, it'll be E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat, right? Over the F. Rather, I'm sorry. So your first chord over the F, and then the second one is going to be right. The second part, so as you walk up. So basically sound like this. And then you can start the whole thing over, alright? But you put both together, you have, right? So don't make the mistake of doing this. You can if you want to go someplace else. I would do this chord if I'm moving up. If I was doing something else, right? But you're just walking up with them. So you want to make that 5 chord into, you want to keep the tension going. You don't want to kind of resolve to any kind of, even if it's a dominant chord like this 5 chord here, you want to resolve to this chord here. This is not even a true 1 chord. It is a 1 chord, but it isn't like a 1. So it's, with your F, A flat, D flat. So again. Because it has the whole thing where it continues and wants to go on and wants to go on all day, and just go right back to that 1 chord. See? And now you're at the 1 chord if you were going to go to the 1 chord.